Hey guys, welcome back to Digital Digest, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make first person in Roblox Studio. Alright, let's get it started. So here what you have to do first is to open your Roblox Studio. So now what you have to do is follow the steps that I have written in a notepad. I have provided you the steps. So here you can see the first step is to go to the starter GUI, and then second step is to create a file with any name that you like, and then save the file after adding the provided code in the file. So here I have provided you a code that will make your character a first person mode in Roblox. So here first you have to go to starter GUI after opening your Roblox Studio, and then this is the code that I'm about to show you that you have to add in to the file. You can name the file anything you want. So the code is provided to you in the description box, so make sure you can see that, and what you have to do is just copy and paste it. So here you can see this is the code that you will be using to make the Roblox character on first person. So that's it. That is how you'll be able to make first person in Roblox Studio. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.